Kittens, inspired by kittens.
I want you off the fucking set, you prick! Give me a fucking answer!
We are wine bottles.
Oh, good for you!
I'm at work.
And how was it?
Brainstorm. Magic.
Are you professional or not?
I want pie. I want beef jerky.
Shut the fuck up! What? No! No!
I am a secret agent.
What is he doing there?
We are in Hawaii.
Fuck's sake.
Double head. I'm a magician.
You're unbelievable, man.
I'm a rabbit. I'm her mom.
You're unfucking believable.
No, she's not. We are eating pepper and chips. La, 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 la.
Da-da-da-da, like this in the background. What the fuck is it with you?
Wrestling.
Never had a DP behave like this.
Hungry.
Shut up for a second, all right?
Bow wow, chicka bow wow, chicka bow wow. Yuck.
Fucking ass.
I am weird. Cuckoo, cuckoo. I have to go potty.
What the fuck are you doing?
I'm bored. Aren't you? I am too.
Fuck's sake, man, you're amateur.